This is one of the upgrades we are talking about. So here is a 6-arm robot arm where we place device on the system. This is just like a replica of what's happening in the industry. In the packaging industry, you see our robot putting it's for package. So this is just a replica of what you see in the industry. So this would tells you everything about the industry, the programming, the picking, the arrangement of how activities is done in the industry, the movement of the product in the industry. So these are our robots here. It picks devices here or material here, drops it on the conveyor belt, and this is a pusher. It pushes the device into the bin here, or this is a sensor. You have different sensors on this page. You have the photo sensor, that's color sensor. You have the fiber optic sensor. And these are our 6-arm robots where we pick stuff, pick materials. So this is the replica of what's happening in the industry. So I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. So I'm going to start the robot so you can see how the robot moves. Comes down, switch, and then drop. Replica of what's happening in the industry. So here we teach you how to program it, how to you can see down, we have different PLCs, we have the analog unit, we have a transistor where we monitor what happens at a particular time. You can tell this guy to move at this range, and tell this conveyor to move at that range. So this is just basically the industry. This is just let's say the mini industry. So these are one of the upgrades we are talking about.